For decades, physicists believed a certain particle interaction was literally impossible. Then, an AI proved them wrong. Imagine the shockwaves sent through the scientific community as this revelation unfolded. The air was thick with disbelief, but the truth was undeniable. Think of gluons like tiny messengers carrying the glue that holds atoms together. They play a crucial role in the fundamental forces that govern our universe. Scientists had a rule: arrange their spins in a certain way, and the chance of them interacting drops to absolute zero. Case closed. Or so they thought. The scientific community had confidently closed the book on this theory, but the universe had other plans. A team of physicists from Harvard, Cambridge, and the Institute for Advanced Study ran the numbers up to 6 particles and got these incredibly messy, complicated results. And it was like trying to read a recipe that fills 40 pages with ingredients scattered everywhere and instructions that made no sense. Frustrated, they decided to hand it over to GPT 5.2, an advanced AI that had been making waves in various fields. The AI took on the challenge with ease. It cleaned up the mess, sifting through the chaos and spotting a hidden pattern that humans had missed for 15 years. What emerged was a single elegant formula that works for any number of particles. This was groundbreaking. The AI didn't stop there. It spent 12 hours writing its own formal proof, meticulously checking every calculation. And the math checked out, confirming its findings with an accuracy that left even the most seasoned physicists in awe. This isn't about AI replacing scientists, it's about AI doing what no human brain is wired to do. It sees simplicity inside overwhelming complexity, cutting through the noise, and handing physicists a new door to walk through. This collaboration between human intellect and artificial intelligence opens up a realm of possibilities, showcasing the potential of technology to enhance our understanding of the universe. AI just co-authored a physics discovery. What field is next? The implications of this breakthrough are vast and exciting. Drop your guess below and follow for more mind-bending AI breakthroughs every week. The future is here, and it's filled with possibilities that challenge our understanding of science and technology.